Hi, welcome to Python Polygon. So today's topic is going to be coding and decoding. Okay, this is actually a little more logical than like what we were doing till now, like all formulae and mathematics equations and all that. Okay, so this is going to be a little more logical, where if you solve more questions itself, you will get the idea of how to code a few, say, letter coding or number coding or some substitution. Okay, so let's get into the questions. First question: if Earth is written as so first we write E what they've given you EARTH, and this is written as FCUX and M. Okay, how is moon written? Okay, so we'll write moon also here. Fine. So let's first try to see the jumps. Okay, from E to F there's a one jump. Okay, from A to C there's a two jump. From R to U there is RST, so there's three jump, and from T to X there's a T, so there's a 4 jump, and H to M there's a 5 jump. Okay, so we are seeing there's a plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Similarly, if we use that logic, here we have to jump 1, okay, to get the next N. Okay, next will be, so O will have a 2 jump. Okay, the first O, so O P Q, so there'll be P and Q, so Q will be the answer. And here there'll be one more jump, so Q R. Okay, and here and N will have a plus 4 jump, so N and R will be the answer. So NQRR will be the code in the whatever their coded language. Okay, so that's the answer. Next question: if symbol is written as NZTMPC in a certain code, what is number written as? Okay, so we'll write SMBOL and NZTMPC. So here if we see the jumps, we cannot understand anything. Okay, like S to N there's a backward jump, while Y to Z there's a forward jump. Okay, so there are many ways to think about it. Firstly, you can try a zigzag jumping. Okay, so zigzag is like this. S to C is there a viable jump. Okay, so again you see this is going forward while this is going backward. I mean this is both are going backward, but the like the numbers it's going backward by is not the same. So one more thing they do while giving these coding questions is, see, you can divide this into half and then see if these cross ones are matching. Okay, so now I'll see S to T there's a plus one jump, Y to Z there's a plus one, and M to N there's a plus one jump. Okay, I know it's very difficult to see all this, but these are very few standard questions. Okay, where either you have to check the like forward jump of one each, or you have to check the cross jump, or you have to divide in half and then check the cross jumps. Okay, so here again there's a cross jump here, there's a cross jump here, and there's a cross jump here. So number will be written as NUM, and then there'll be a half VER, and then this should be jumped once, so there'll be O here. This should be jumped here once, there'll be M here, N here, and this should be jumped here. So U and V will be here. Okay, this should be jumped once, it'll be C. Here, if you jump, it'll be F, and R, if you jump, it'll be S. So this is the code NVOSFC. Okay, so that's the code in the new language, whatever language they have. Okay, next question. In a certain code, computer is written as PMOCRETU. What is decipher written as? Okay, here we can make a small assumption. Okay, I mean, we can make a small observation. Here we can see that the same letters are rearranged to write this word. Okay, so we'll see in what way they are rearranging it to understand more. Okay, so COMPUTER. Okay, if you divide by half, you will get it as PMOC. If you see it from here, see, first of all, the reverse is not this number. I mean, it's not this code. So we will go for some other method where dividing in half is a very common strategy. Okay. Uh, for whatever questions I've seen and prepared for this topic, dividing in half is a very common strategy. Okay. So cut the word into half and then see if you can't find out for the whole word. Okay, so similarly, we are getting, if you see, read it from this side, we'll get PMOC, PMOC, okay, and RETU is RETU from here. Okay, so if you want to write the word decipher, DECIPHER, okay, cut the word in half, first read it from this side. So I will get ICED, okay, and again read it from this side, REHP. So this is going to be the answer. Okay, so that is one strategy. First strategy I told was check the jumps. Okay, the jumps may increase in a specific order. Okay. Secondly, if you don't get a jump linearly, check the cross jumping. Okay, if that cross jumping also not happening, divide in half and then check the cross jumping. Okay, and thirdly, you can also try this where the letters are the same, then we can decide, I mean, code it in any other way. Okay, next question. If in a certain code New York is written as 111, then what is New Jersey in that same code? Okay, so for this we need to have one list of all the weights of the letters. Okay, so weights means which position the letter comes as. Okay, so always when there is like something like one word is converted to some number, okay, first you can check if it is positional weight. So n is basically we know it's a 14th letter. Okay, so if 14 is there somehow over here, then we can think it's the positional, but here it is not the positional. It means that you have to add it and check if it's adding up to 111. Okay, so we'll try that. E is the fifth letter, W is the 23rd letter, yeah. Y is the 25th letter, last but one. O is the 15th letter, R is the 18th letter, and K is the 11th letter. Okay, so I'll just try adding all these. If I get the answer as 111, then I'm right. So 23, 25, 15, 18, and 11. So this comes as 5, 10, 10, 13, 18, 26, and 31. 1 carry 3, and then this is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, it is 111. Okay, so basically what I have to do, I have to add New Jersey's numbers. Okay, so New Jersey is what? N is again 14, E is 5, W is 23, J is 10, E is 5 again, R is 18, yeah, S is 19, one after, E is 5 again, and Y is 25. So basically, if I add all these, uh, I come with a total of 124. Okay, so that's going to be the answer. 124 is New Jersey in this code. Okay, next question. In a code, Haryana is written as 819751. Okay, what is Delhi in that same code? Okay, so let me first write Haryana. Haryana. Okay, so H is written as 8. It's the eighth letter. Okay, A is the first letter. R is the 18th letter. Okay, and similarly, Y is 25th. Okay, A is again first. And N is 14th, and A is again 1. Okay, so in the code I have 8, I have 1, then I have 9. Okay, I have 9 at the third position. Third position is R. Okay, and I can see that the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equal to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I will think about say adding the two digits and check. I'll get 9. Okay, so that is my guess that it might be that. Okay, then if I add 2 and 5, I'm getting 7. So corresponding to the first, I'm getting 8. Second, I'm getting 1. Third, I'm getting 9. Fourth, I'm getting 7. So it's matching my code. Fifth, again is 1. So it's here only. Okay. Sixth is 5, which I'm getting by adding this. So seventh is 1. So basically what I have to do, I have to write every code. I have to write every letter. So I'll write Delhi, Delhi. Okay. D is the fourth. E is the fifth. L is the 12th. Okay. Again, H is the eighth, and I is the ninth. Okay, so I have these many digits, but I have to convert this into single digits. So I'll add these two numbers and I'll get 3. So the code for Delhi will be 45389. Okay, that will be the code for Delhi. Okay, so that's the answer. Next question. In a certain code, bomb is written as 5745 and bay is written as 529. Okay. Bombay, what is Bombay written in the same code? See, basically we can see here that if BOMB is written as 5, 7, 4, and 5, that means B is written as 5, right? O is written as 7, M is written as 4, so that we can see it here also. And BAY, okay, BAY is written as 5, 2 and 9. This A is 2 and Y is 9. Using this information, can we write Bombay? We can. BOMBAY. Okay, B is given as 5. Okay, O is given as 7 in the code. Okay, M is given as 4. B is again 5. A is again 2. Y is 9. So this will be the code 574. So 5, sorry, 574529 will be the code, final code. That will be the answer. Next question. In a certain language, Madras is coded as NBESBT. How is Bombay written in that code? Okay. Clearly I can see M. This is +1. Okay. Again A to B is +1. Okay. Again D to E is +1. So my doubt is kind of answered, that R to S is +1. A to B is again +1. So I can understand that everything is +1, right? So I'll go to write the code. I'll directly write it here. B will be C, O will be P, okay, because OPQ, M will be N, okay, B will be again C, A will be B, and Y will be Z. So this will be the code. Okay, this was very simple. Fine. Next question. In a certain code, triple is written as SQHOOKD. Okay, what is dispose? Okay, so we can see that P is written as O, T is written as S, R is written as Q. There is some relation. I is written as H, L is written as K, and E is written as D. Okay, so does it look like for every letter we are just going one back? So if you go one back from T, you'll get S. If you go one back from R, you'll get Q. One back from I will give you H. One back from P will give you O. Okay, so basically just go one back for everything. D will be C. Okay, uh, I will be H, S will be R, again P will be O, and O will be, it will be N. Okay, and S will be again R. Okay, and E will be D. So this will be the new code, CHRONRD. Okay, CHRONRD. This is the new code. Next question. In a code language, could is written as BNTKC. Margin is written as LZQ. FHM. What is molding? Okay. First of all, let's see if we can find all the letters in these codes, in these words, in these two words only. Okay. M can we find? Yes, we can find. O can we find? Yes. OULD. All we can find. OULD we can find. IN we can find here. IN. And G we can find here. Okay, so we can basically just copy the positions. OULD. Okay, first we'll write M. M is written as L, right? So in the new code, this molding will be written as L. Then OULD. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to take. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So N, T, K, and C will be added. So I'm done till here. ING I have to add. IN is written as H and M. So I will add H and M here. Okay, and G is then the end. G is written as F. Okay, so this is F. This is the code. Okay, in the new language. There's no +1. There's no like, you don't need any like jumping and all that. You can simply find out every letter of the code they're asking in the given information. That's all. Next, last question. In a certain code, monkey is written as XDJMNL. Okay, how is tiger written? So this is kind of like like you're adding everything that we learned till now. Okay, so basically I can see that it's very hard to see it. Monkey, okay, is written as XDJMN and L. Okay, I can see there's a like, this is my understanding of it. There is a very far alphabet here, and there's a very far alphabet here. Okay, similarly M and L are very close by, O and N are very close by, D and E are very close by. So I'm thinking there's somewhat like a crisscross relationship. Okay, so let me just reverse this code and write monkey. I want to reverse, so I'll write it as YEKNOM. Okay, now can I see this is a -1, this is also minus, this is also -1, this is also -1, this is -1, this is -1. So what I have to do, I have to simply reverse this tiger and I have to minus 1 from everything. So I'll get it as REGIT, okay, regit. And then I have to minus 1. So if I minus 1 from R, I'll get Q. If I minus 1 from E, I'll get D. If I minus 1 from G, I will get F. If I minus 1 from I will get H. If I minus 1 from T, I'll get S. So that will be the new code. QDFHS will be tiger. Okay. With this question, we come to the end of this topic. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I will see you guys in the next topic.